Little Fish Book, Shapes with Little Fish by Lucy Cousins. Follow the finger trail. Hello, I'm Little Fish swimming in the sea. I love seeing shapes. Come along with me. Follow the circle round and round. Look at the circles that I have found. 4 straight sides on a square. Squares here, there and everywhere. Triangles have 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. How many triangles can you see? 5 points on a star, like a starfish. Close your eyes and make a wish. Here is a heart for mommy fish. Hello, little fish. Kiss, kiss, kiss. The end.